What is Seint 3D Foundation? It's a customizable magnetic palette. You purchase just your individual tins of colors and they fit right inside your palette. This is my whole makeup bag. Everything I need for my face is right here in the palm of my hands. I color match you to your shades and you custom choose how large you want your palette to be and what you want to carry in it. This is a one layer, one palette, even a one brush makeup system. Let me show you. First, I like to use my contour to fill and shape my brows. It's a perfect consistency to stay in place and the right color. Your contour can also be used as a lip liner. We're going to use the contour to emphasize where shadows naturally occur in our face. In our palette, we'll also put a color corrector if you need it. This really helps with redness or any purple or blues under your eyes. Everything is in one layer. Next, I'm going to apply my concealer or brightening highlight. This shade can also be used as an eyeshadow primer. It helps to even out the skin tone on your eyelids and provides a nice even base for your eyeshadows to really pop. We're going to brighten where sun or light naturally hits your face right down the center. This is the other part of our 3D look and foundation system. Your main highlight closely matches your skin tone. Just loading up a bit of product. Next, we're going to add a lip and cheek color. This works for both lips and cheeks. I like a satin finish for my cheeks. You can apply it with your fingertips as well. Or a gloss is one of my favorites for the lips. A bronzer to finish off the look. In this size palette, you can either add an illuminator. I like that just above my Cupid's bow, or anywhere you want to draw attention. Or you can even add just a couple of eyeshadows for a nice, simple, basic look. You can even use your cream foundation shades on your eyes and reserve that last spot for setting powder or lip conditioner. Or you can grab yourself a larger palette. So with just a couple brushes and one palette, I've got my whole makeup bag right here in the palm of my hands. So if you'd like to get color matched for your shades of 3D foundation, that's what I'm here for. As your artist, I specialize in natural looking makeup for mature skin.